Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. So in order to take a screenshot, you'll either have to use a combination of Windows Shift and S buttons, or instead you can use a print screen button, which is located right here. So once you press one of these buttons, you'll have to select the screenshot mode, one of the four, and I'm gonna show you each one of them. So the first one is rectangular screenshot. In order to take a rectangular screenshot, you just need to select an area on your display that you want to take a screenshot of. And once you select it, the screenshot will be automatically taken. You'll see a notification on your screen like this. If you click on it, you'll be able to edit a screenshot however you want using these tools right here. Once you're done, just click save and save your newly taken screenshot. And once you've taken a screenshot, it's saved to your screenshot folder. And in order to find it, let's open the File Explorer, then go to Pictures, and right here you'll find the Screenshots folder, and here's the screenshot that you took. Okay, so the next type of screenshot is a window screenshot, and it's basically a screenshot of just one window. So in order to take it, you just have to roll your mouse pointer over the folder or over the window that you want to take a screenshot of, and just click on it once. And as you can see, this screenshot looks like this. And the third type of screenshot is full screen screenshot. And basically, once you select this option, the screenshot is taken automatically, and it's a screenshot of your full screen. And the last one is the freeform screenshot, and it's basically just like the rectangular one, but you can take a screenshot of any shape that you like this. Just hold down the left key of your mouse and draw a shape in which you want the screenshot to be taken, and it will look like this. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.